On this island I found a way to see the beauty in passing days. Flowers that impel my love, moments I'm only here of. Love